Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to transfer the text from the physical documents into your Apple Notes. So first thing we have to do, let's open the Apple Notes. The Apple Notes will be symbolized with this part. Just type any notes on your app library and the Apple Notes will be symbolized with this. If you cannot find them, just get installed into your phone. So you just need to open it now. Okay, the next thing we need to do is just create the new documents by click this button. And here you go, we already have this blank documents. So I already prepared the physical documents, so let's just jump into the tutorial right away. So you can see that in this feature there will be like 5 tools that you can use. This one is for the text, list, table, and this one is the core. You just need to click this camera symbols, and after that you just need to go click this 4th rows with the scan text. So you need to prepare the text of the documents that you want to transfer. Go click them and they will be bring you into the camera sections, and after that you just need to find which text that you want to add into the Apple Notes, and the Apple Notes will start to scanning, and then just go and they will like bring into your documents right away. Okay, I will like to find the simplest way first, and here we go, and you'll got it, and then just go click insert right in. And here we go, we already transferred the text from the physical documents into your Apple Notes. It's really helpful for your work to work efficient and faster. So that is the way, guys, how to transfer the text from the physical documents into the Apple Notes. Hopefully this tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next tutorial.